Hi guys, this is Sheetal here. Welcome back to my channel. I see a lot of new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing my channel. Today's look is all about pink purple smoky eyes engagement look. You can also wear this look for any party or any other function. I've already used a moisturizer for my skin and I'm directly moving to a primer, and I'm using a ELF infused primer.
About us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it.
To neutralize and to color correct my face, I'm using a orange corrector by Krylon.
Just like before. So take it easy.
Foundation, I'm using a Milani 2-in-1 foundation. It's in the shade Sand Beige.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy.
To highlight my face, I'm using a cream concealer by Krylon.
So take it easy, take it easy. That I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow, ended up just like before. So take it easy.
To set my foundation, I'm using a MAC Pep and Prime transparent powder. This helps to set your foundation and it also absorbs excess oil from your skin. Eyebrows, I'm using a eyebrow cake powder by NYX.
Of our love, I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low.
I'm taking a cream concealer by Krylon. With my flat concealer brush, I will clean up my borders.
Easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow, ended up just like before. So take it easy.
Moving on to my eyes, I'm taking a pink shade from Huda Beauty palette and I'm using it in my crease, and this is gonna be my transition shade. taking a dark brown shade by Kylie palette and applying on my outer and inner corner of my eyes.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head.
To get that smoky look, I'm taking a black gel eyeliner by e.l.f. and I'm applying on my middle part of my eyelid.
I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy.
I'm taking a black eyeshadow by Shiwana palette, blending out the harsh edges from my eyelid so that it looks natural.
Before, so take it easy.
Again from the same palette, I'm using a silver shade to highlight my brow bone. To get that purple look, I'm using a pink shade from this palette and applying on my middle part of my eyelid and blending it softly. For my eyeliner, I'm using a Lakme Absolute eyeliner and I'm creating a simple eyeliner look. I'm using a gel eyeliner by e.l.f. for my waterline.
I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start.
Finally, I'm using a liquid lipstick by Huda Beauty and it's in the shade Famous.
I thought that I could keep it low.
Here is my final look. Hope you all enjoyed watching my today's engagement look. Please comment below and let me know what you thought of it. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more videos.
Take it easy.